14 legit ways to make money online in Nigeria, student-focused. There are several ways to make money online in Nigeria with little or no capital investment. It doesn't matter if you are unemployed, full-time employee with a major corporation, a stay-at-home mom, a university student, or a job seeker, fashion designer, or any job. All you require is knowing how to use the internet. The internet has made life so easy that you can get a business for yourself in minutes, hours and days within the digital scale with no too much stress. No matter where you live, as long as you have an internet connection, you can always make money online. In this video, we would implore some legit ways to make money online. 1. Website development. Learn how to develop websites. Start by learning HTML and CSS, and then you can go with how to build WordPress sites. You will find many online tutorials for free on how freebies categories. All you have to do to be patient and learn how to do it step by step and work hard on it, and you will have it. Once you learn, you can make money through the freelancing websites or even work with big companies from home. And you can build complete websites and sell it on Envato Market. 2. Online books publication. Okada Books is an online website in Nigeria that makes it fast, easy and free to publish books online. This is not limited to books alone but also short stories, reviews or anything worth reading. The best part is that Okada Books allows users to monetize each book published, which means you get paid when any of your publications are downloaded or read. 3. Sell designs and creatives online. Do you have some basic design experience? Printivo Online Store is a marketplace that allows anyone to upload and sell designs to customers. Each time a Printivo customer makes use of your design or orders a print with your design, you get paid 15% of the value of the design by Printivo. 4. List on property websites. Do you know of any property available for rent or building for sale in your area where you live? You can always earn a quick agency fee by posting available properties in your area on property websites such as Tutor, Jumia House and Private Property. All you have to do is to register as an agent and you are good to go. 5. Start a blog or a vlog. Yes, good old blogging is still chugging along in 2020. By providing valuable content on a regular basis, you attract like-minded prospects who are interested in information and products related to your niche. The more traffic you have, the more money you can make by monetizing your blog. For vlogging, you can get started by creating a YouTube channel as a platform for distributing your video contents. 6. Sell on e-commerce websites. Another legit way to make some extra cash online in Nigeria is by selling on e-commerce websites. Jumia, Konga, Payport are all e-commerce websites that allow a merchant to list and sell products online for free. This list of websites exposes your product to a huge chunk of online audiences that you will not be able to access offline, making it easier and faster to sell and make more money online. 7. Affiliate marketing. If you've got a good presence on social media, or perhaps you even have a blog or website, you can start bringing in money immediately by promoting all sorts of companies, products, services and offers online. You can even apply to affiliate programs of some notable brands in Nigeria such as Konga and Jumia affiliate program. 8. Offer professional services online. Another way to make quick and legit money online is by freelancing. Most freelancing websites allow you to leverage your skills to earn some quick cash online. Common skills in demand for online services like these include content writing, social media management, website design, graphic design, search engine marketing, etc. 9. Become a virtual tutor. Another way to make money online is by teaching others what you know. You can become a virtual tutor and engage in one-on-one tutoring sessions or even host webinars to help people directly with any number of topics. Nigerian websites like Tutors NG allows users to monetize their knowledge by creating online learning materials for others in need of specific knowledge. 10. Online surveys. An increasingly popular way to make money online in Nigeria is to fill out online surveys. This can be done in your spare time. Research companies are always recruiting new members to answer surveys and test new products. For a few minutes of filling online surveys, you can make some quick cash as a reward. 11. Apps and websites testing. The main aim is to improve online experiences for everyday internet users. Internet companies are always looking for real people like you to test out new or existing mobile apps and websites so that website owners, coders, and designers can see and evaluate the obstacles that real people experience with their products. Most of the companies reward the testers in cash for each app or website tested. Check out user testing. 12. Email marketing. Build up an email list and sell courses and ebooks based on that topic. You can easily build an email list by offering a free book or course from your own products and let the user download it from their email. Or using many tools online to build this list like Facebook, Instagram, Snapchat, others. Now that you have a list provided them with value, it's time to think about the ways you can make money with your newsletter. The most important thing to remember when exploring ways to monetize your email list is to make it relevant to your audience. You can use your list and make money by affiliate marketing, sell your own products, get paid to send your subscribers to other sites, sell sponsor ads. 13. Language help. If you know more than one language, you can help others by. Why not build an online course and sell it on udemy.com or any other sites which sell courses? Or perhaps, work as freelancer translator on freelancer.com, upwork.com. 14. Write in ebooks. Write an in-depth ebook about something you love and are good at. Sell it on Amazon, affiliate programs, Facebook, Instagram and other ad platforms. Here is an example of an ebook I wrote. If you are good at anything, it's researching and writing. With the Amazon Kindle store, anyone can publish an ebook and make money. And the Kindle app is now available on almost any device, laptops, iPads, smartphones and yes, Kindles, so your global market is huge. List your book for £1.49 to £6.99 and you earn 70% of the sale. Considering Amazon is the ultimate selling machine, and remember people are looking to spend, that is a fantastic deal. The key to success with ebooks is to create value and write non-fiction. Tweet simply bundling information you have researched and compiled on a common problem, e.g. secrets, to finding a job, and then presenting it in an easy-to-digest format, an ebook. Justify someone spending a few quid on it. Another big tip is to have a great cover designed so it stands out, and once your book is live on the Kindle store, it's really important to get some reviews so it shows up higher in results. Encourage readers to leave an honest review at the end of your book. The best thing about this lucrative idea is that once you've invested the time, say 20 hours, you'll earn a passive income for years to come. Conclusion. These online business opportunities should give you plenty of ideas for making money online in Nigeria. Take what you've learned from this post and start testing your own ventures. It will take some hard work, but it'll be well worth it when you find yourself on the road to financial freedom in a very short while. We will be adding more ideas and opportunities to this post as time rolls on, so go ahead and bookmark this page for future references. You can also share with your friends that may need some money-making ideas.